Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to check in online for Japan Airlines. I remember the first time I tried checking in online for a Japan Airlines flight because I didn't want to deal with long airport lines, and honestly, once you know where to click, it feels like a small travel hack. I opened the JAL website, went straight to the check-in section, and noticed it only works within a 24-hour to 60-minute window before departure. So timing actually matters here. I entered my booking reference and last name, double check everything like I was defusing a bomb, and hit continue, which brought me to the seat selection page. This is where I always pause. Window for the view or aisle for easy exits, tough decisions. After picking a seat, I confirmed my baggage details and made sure all travel info like passport and visa requirements were in order. Once done, I downloaded my boarding pass to my phone, which honestly feels way better than juggling paper and the airport. Just don't forget, if you've got checked baggage, you still need to stop by the counter, so don't show up 5 minutes before boarding thinking you're a genius. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.